What's up, you guys? Justin Salter here. Gonna teach you the classic "Tonight by Billy Pumpkin. Just kidding. Smashing Pumpkins, Billy Corgan. And it's obviously a classic, and it's pretty simple on guitar. So just gonna break it down for you. I'm gonna give you the chords and then get more in depth as we go. So it's gonna be like a G with a major third. So he kind of does a little bit of a to the E minor. Back to the G. Then he'll drop this pinky down. This ring finger and pinky down on the 3rd fret. To the C. So it goes to C to C flat, which is B, and then to D sus. Back to G. And the verse goes C. So it's just these 3 strings. So on the C. So it goes from C to D basically. So he obviously sings and plays that. It's tricky to sing and play though. So C to D. So it's just these 3 strings. C to the B string to the G string. And I'm also muting this G string with this piece of skin from my finger here, so that way you don't hear it. So it should sound dead like that. You can also do it like. See, it's hard to sing and play, but so there's that. So then he does the D to the E, to the back to the G. C, D, E, G. So then he does that little like E minor. Yeah, so anyway, that's the basic gist of it. And that's basically it. There's like a piece at the end where he does the... C, B to D, B sus. Just these 4 strings here. And you put your pointer finger on the G string 2nd fret, and I put my ring finger on the B string 3rd fret, and then it's just these bottom 4 strings. And then for this C shape, it's your middle finger on the 3rd fret A string, you mute this G, you let that G string be open, and then you have your ring finger on the 3rd fret B string and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret E string, so it'll sound like this. So it's basically these 4 strings. Because this is muted with this piece of skin here, and this piece of skin here. Same thing here. To the B, just drop it down a half step. That's basically it. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments. Let me know if you want what you want to hear next. And that's basically it, man. And peace and love. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.